Imagine starting your day feeling calm, centered, and fully energized. For so many of us, tight hips and a stiff neck can make mornings feel sluggish. Today, we're breaking free from that. This 5-minute stretch routine is perfect for anyone looking to gently wake up their body, activate their core, and release tension in the hips and lower back. No equipment is needed, just your mat and a little space to move. We'll move through 5 restorative stretches designed to activate your core, stabilize your spine, and deeply open your hips. Great job for showing up, because most people would skip this. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel balanced, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin with a grounding stretch to relax the lower back and hips. Start on your hands and knees. Sit your hips back toward your heels and stretch your arms forward, letting your forehead rest gently on the mat. Take a deep inhale through your nose, and as you exhale, let your body sink deeper into the pose. Child's pose is perfect for calming the mind while gently stretching the lower back and hips. It's a moment of stillness that sets the tone for the rest of your day. Beginners can place a pillow under their hips for support, while advanced participants can walk their hands further forward for a deeper stretch. Now that we've grounded ourselves, let's wake up the core and stabilize the spine with some movement. Time to activate your core and find your balance. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping your hips level and your gaze slightly down. Hold for a few seconds, then bring your arm and knee together under your body before extending again. Bird dog strengthens your core, stabilizes your spine, and improves balance. All crucial for a strong, aligned body. Beginners can keep their toes on the ground for extra stability. Advanced participants can hold the extended position longer for an added challenge. Let's balance it out by switching sides. Let's bring symmetry to the body by activating the other side. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg back, keeping your core engaged and your spine straight. Bring your arm and knee together under your body and repeat the movement. Engaging both sides helps stabilize the entire core, improving posture and alignment while supporting your lower back. Beginners can move slower for better control, while advanced participants can add ankle or wrist weights for extra challenge. With your core activated, let's shift focus to deeply opening those tight hips. Now we'll target the hips and glutes with a deep restorative stretch. From all fours, bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg straight back, keeping your hips squared to the mat. Slowly lower your chest toward the floor, using your forearms or hands for support. Pigeon pose releases tightness in the glutes and hips, which is essential for improving flexibility and mobility. Beginners can place a pillow under the hip for support. Advanced participants can hold all the way forward, resting their forehead on the mat. Let's bring balance to the body by stretching the opposite side. Finish off with a deep stretch to the left side, bringing balance and symmetry. Bring your left knee forward behind your left wrist, extending your right leg back. Keep your chest lifted or fold forward for a deeper stretch, breathing deeply into the hips. This stretch opens the hips and glutes on the left side, improving flexibility and relieving lower back tension. Use a yoga block under your hips for added support if needed, or deepen the stretch by fully relaxing into the pose. Slowly return to a seated position, taking a moment to feel the space and energy you've created in your body. Fantastic work, fam. You've activated your core, stabilized your spine, and deeply opened your hips. It's amazing how small movements can create such big results. Showing up today means that you've already won the day. Keep that momentum going and check out the special gift waiting for you in the description to help you level up your flexibility and strength. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.